Introduction to connecting Google Sheets with APIs.
Automating data between Google Sheets and other apps can save time and reduce errors. By using application programming interfaces, or APIs, you can set up a two-way connection between Sheets and countless external services. In this guide, learn the essential steps to make your Google Sheets work smarter by integrating them with other platforms.
Understanding APIs and Google Sheets integration.
An API acts as a bridge that allows two software platforms to exchange information. Google Sheets itself offers an API, and many services like Slack, Twitter, or databases have their own. By connecting these APIs, you can automate workflows, sync data, and trigger actions inside or outside your spreadsheets, all without manual copying.
Setting up access, Google API Console and Authentication.
To connect Google Sheets with another app, you typically need to create a project in the Google API Console. Here, enable the Google Sheets API and generate API credentials, such as OAuth 2.0 tokens or API keys. Proper authentication ensures your connection is secure and that external apps have the right permission level.
Writing your first API request.
Many integrations start with simple HTTP requests, get to read or post to send data. You can use scripting tools like Google Apps Script, Python, or third-party platforms to craft these requests. For example, using AppScript, you can fetch data from an external API, then display or process it directly in your Google Sheets.
Popular tools and automation platforms.
If you're not a coder, platforms like Zapier, Make, or Coupler.io offer user-friendly interfaces to connect Google Sheets to hundreds of services. These tools provide pre-built integrations and simple actions, allowing you to automate tasks such as updating spreadsheets when you get a new email or sending data to a CRM.
Best practices and security tips.
Always safeguard your API keys and credentials, storing them securely and never sharing them publicly. Follow documentation from both Google Sheets and the external service for update limits and error handling. Regularly review permissions and audit activity to ensure your data stays safe while your automations remain reliable.